And I've seen big people in this world. People who people are not able to move to the next level, only and only because they are not able to ask help. Okay, they are not able to ask help. I know he can help me, but I don't know what stops me from asking help. Most of you drive cars and two-wheelers. You know, brake nahi lag raha, so you go and get the brake tight, na? You know the vehicle is not giving right average, so you go and take help from the right person. But why in your personal life, why in the professional life, when I know I am good, but because of some aspect or something which I am not able to do right now, I am not able to grow? Why do we shy away from taking help? Is it that you don't know you need help, or is it that you actually don't understand what your help is? Help क्या होता है वही पता नहीं है, or you actually don't know कि मेरे को help चाहिए. What is the reason? Most difficult situation in the market right now is I am not able to go and ask help to my competitor also. क्या खाएगा वो? Suppose you go to a competitor and you ask him, नहीं यार ये टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Right now the construction market they say is very low, and I'm very excited. We are launching a new site on the 12th of December, and the way we have prepared the preparations for the launch and all, I think people will have to wait कि मेरे को फ्लैट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. But other market, if you go and see, and they're not ready to take help. Because the way you are selling right now, the way you are working in your organization right now, maybe it is not the right time to use the same old things. For example, if you are into supply to the builders, you should have a few builder friends and a few supplier friends also. Understanding कि क्या करते क्या नहीं करते, and ask help. क्या वो बिल्डर से मेरा पैसा नहीं निकल पाया, आपने कैसे निकाला? But we are not ready to ask. नहीं होता है, पूछने का impossible हो जाता है. It's very important to understand, if I am not able to do something, there is somebody who can do it. I need to find the right person. Whether it's your business, whether she said कि lot of insecurity, rejection. So I know I have few rejections in my life. So that does not mean I don't move ahead in life. Suppose you are into supplies, both of you are suppliers. If I ask you, I'll go to that fellow who's done good big construction. नहीं सर उनको पूछना कैसा पता नहीं चलता है. वो ना नंदी के आगे शंकर भगवान की इधर जाने नहीं देते नहीं, और नंदी रुका के रखता है. That means we need help to find out who is the source for my resource. Just ponder over the thought I'm saying, because if I can put this thought in your mind today, कि I am going to be shamelessly asking for help from anybody, whether he is illiterate, whether he is मेरे से पैसे से गरीब है, whether he is a rich boss, बहुत आखड़ है उसमें, क्या करेगा, उड़ाएगा ना. All the people in this world who have grown and become legends, if you read their autobiographies, there has been a time where they have miserably failed and they've gone and taken help from the higher intelligence or somebody who they know would be able to help them. Whether it was Sachin Tendulkar, whether it was Dhirubhai Ambani, whether it was Ratan Tata, somewhere when they know that there's a death happening and I know I will slip somewhere, I know I need to stand up back again, I need help. There are so many situations, emotional situations, when you're sitting with someone, your office place, workplace, you're on a two-wheeler, on a bike, anywhere, you enter a temple, you know you need help, but you cannot ask for help is only because you have not exactly specified what help you need to yourself first. कि exactly मेरे को क्या help चाहिए, whether in a relationship, whether two people in the same relationship and are not able to go out of the relationship, or some person who is not able to relate to his customer, some people are relate to his own staff in the organization, but can he jot down on a paper and find out what is the exact help I need in this situation? नाही मला मदतीची गरज आहे, कशी ते मला माहित नाही, I don't know how, but I'm not able to do this. But exactly that's just an effect. It's just an effect. Are you not able to find the cause itself? You need help to find the cause itself, or you know the cause but you don't know how to rectify the cause or how to eradicate the cause. Everybody, whether it's a customer, whether it's a colleague, whether it's your own life partner or your own kids, everybody needs help. But maybe they are scared of you, maybe they don't know how to ask help, or maybe they think you don't have the answer. You take in an accountant, you take in a driver, you take in a kamwali bhai, you take in a salesman. Your expectations, he should go and crack the call. He should do this. तेरे इतना पकड़ किसके लिए दे रहा हो ये? Darlings, he needs help. He does not know what are the expectations of your organization. And we are not Infosys and Birlas and Tatas where you absorb people in an organization, you detrain them by sending to a training center and train them and get back to Pune again, and they go and sit in a particular seat. And they're like machines. उतना ही काम करना है, उतना ही छोड़ना है. अपने इधर जो आता है अकाउंट्स का आदमी, वो अकाउंट्स का आदमी सेल्स कॉल भी करता है, वो थोड़ा सामान भी उठाता है, एवरीथिंग ही डज, है कि नहीं? So he does not know what is expected from him. I need help का एक मेल बनाओ, make a lovely mail and send it to all your customers. Where do you think I need help and where do you think I can be a help? Where do you think I need help and where do you think I can be a help? You see the way people will respond. Yes, some will react, but lot of people will respond. और जिसको समझा नहीं हो तो खोलेगा नहीं. But if you can get a valid feed front or feedback from the person about where he needs help, you'll be able to better serve him the next year. And you understand that this is where you need help, you'll be able to groom yourself, brush yourself, or get yourself a few things right now before the new year starts. I should ask for help whenever needed, wherever needed, shamelessly. Shamelessly.